All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their 30,000 milliamp hour solar charger power bank. Nothing to really show you around the box, but open it up. Look at that, it already, because of the lights, it cut on. You got a little clip there, nice. A micro USB cable for charging. That's it for the box. And a nice little user's guide telling you everything that you should need to know. So this is the actual power bank. You can see here it's actually charging right now due to the lights that I have for recording. It thinks it's in the sun. Has a nice grip on the side. I really like that. You do have, oh look at that, got a little compass there. That's pretty cool. You do have lights down here, and then here is your USB ports, nicely protected. So you have your in, which is a micro USB right on top. You have a USB-C and then a USB-A and another USB-A out. Very, very nice. It does have an included little attachment though, hanger handle, but very nice. Love the quality of it, and 30,000 milliamps will charge your phone a lot of times. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.